Did you know that your Galaxy S25 Ultra may still keep old installation files that you don't actually need? Let me show you how to remove them and free up storage. To do so, go to Settings, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the Quick Settings panel, and then tap Settings icon. Scroll down the screen to find Device Care. Tap Device Care. Tap Storage. In the middle, you will see suggestion from your phone. One of them might be all installation files. Tap Review Old Files. Here you will see a list of installation files inside the Download Helper folder. Select the ones you don't need anymore. As you select the file, the delete button at the bottom will turn blue and show how much space you will free up. Tap delete and then tap delete again to confirm. This is useful when you have installed apps or updates a long time ago, but the leftover installation files are still taking up storage space. So cleaning them up keeps your device tidy and running efficiently. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.